Hey guys, Dave Anderson, HELICOOL'S Helipad. Thanks for clicking on the video. I appreciate your support. This episode is going to be a little bit about Patricia and a little bit about Malachai. If you guys remember in the last video, I pulled all of the bolts underneath here so that I can remove the heater core, and cleaned up all of the bolts so I can start removing this mud flap, this box, and the step. We're gonna have some fun today. You guys stay tuned. All right, well, first things first, let's get this heater core out of here and the rest of this dash. Core. Nice. All right, let's get to removing this mud flap and this box with the step. Well, that'll do it. Not too bad. Couple of through bolts, but the great majority of them, thank goodness, were not. There was one bolt, you can see it right there. I suspect that they just stripped the thing. I don't know what its problem was, but it didn't like being messed with. All right, I see it better now. Yeah, the riv nut popped loose, and of course there's no way to get on the back side of that. I am really feeling a lot better about this. Got a lot accomplished today. Several large pieces pulled off. It's pretty amazing. Looks a whole lot different. I even got the steering wired up so that this doesn't fall down anymore. So that should be good placement for that. Feeling pretty happy about that. Hey guys, it's been raining for the last several days, and I'm just now getting back to some stuff that I need to do on Malachai. When this cab comes forward, I got probably 3 things that I want to take care of. Stay tuned, keep watching. Alright, so while I wait for that to dry, it's something else that I've noticed. Last time I was out flying the drone, I've got to take care of that. That looks really dumb from above. Now normally you can't see it, but still, I need to take care of that. Now here's a redneck pro tip, and the reason why I call it a redneck easy for me to say, right? The reason why I call it a redneck pro tip is because it's really not a professional job when you're doing stuff with a rattle can. But if you're doing it the cost-effective way, which I consider the redneck way, the best way to get the best results is paint the whole thing at least twice, and that will get all of the most of the little spray marks out of it if you paint it twice. The next thing is make sure to do the last coat that's all over in brown, because brown tends to, when it splatters a little bit, it really affects the green and it really affects the black. So after you do the brown, do the touch-ups with the brown, spray around it with the green to finish the edges of the green, and the very last thing is to finish with the black. Spray a nice little line, because the black, when it bleeds over just a little bit, you really can't tell that much. But these other colors really makes a difference. So do it in that order: brown, then green, then black. You'll come up with a pretty good redneck paint job on the cheap, which is, it may not be easy this time because spraying with the rattle can is not easy. Well, yeah, it technically is, because you know what? It's pretty easy to do a spray can. Use those steps, and I think that you'll have a good result, just like I have a good result with Malachai. Dang, now that looks so much better. Clean lines, Beautiful. Hey guys, I've been trying hard to respect your time here on YouTube, and I'm going to end this video now. I'm glad that you were able to spend the time with me and took the time to watch the video. I hope that you gathered a little bit of information about how to do that camouflage pattern and how to make it turn out just right. Also, next video I'm going to be adding that soundproofing to the tunnel and pulling more parts off of Patricia, so you won't want to miss it. Come on back anytime. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe and God bless.